everyone! It's Sunday afternoon and me and Mishika are going to do something interesting. So, what are we doing, Mishika, today?
We are making something of slime and I don't know what we are making of it.
We are making a slimy clay. You know why? Because every time when we go to the shop and you ask me, Mama, please buy me slime, please buy me clay. So I thought let's make at home only this time. And completely natural home products, and we'll not be using any chemicals also. So it's safe and sound, right?
Yes.
So let's start. We have refined wheat flour. So let's put this.
I think I'm going to eat this
Ready?
slime. Yeah, because
Some oil. Vegetable oil you can take.
any oil.
So which color you want, Mishika? Green or yellow first? We'll be making
Yellow.
Okay, so here we are using turmeric, yellow color. Should I put all?
Yeah, put all.
Okay, and now what we need is just water. The other one we are making, so you just need a refined flour. Wheat will do, wheat flour. Here I am putting some spinach water. Now can you see? I have two colors. One is green and one is yellow. Since it's rainy season, let me try and make a snail for you. Hold this, Mishika. It's your snail.
It's a real snail.
It looks so cute.
Yeah.
I hope you all enjoyed this. It's so simple and easy. You can give this to kids and they'll love it. They'll be busy and you will be also free for a while and they'll love it. One more thing, we forgot. We can add some thermocol balls, glitters to it and make it more colorful. Mishika wants to add some glitter to her slimy clay as well. It's 2 in 1. You can make it as a clay also and you can use it as a slime also. And you can use it and then throw it maybe. Yeah, you can use it and then throw it. I have seen the slimes falling here and there and all the dust is there on it. And it's so ooh. So now I will make this for Mishika every day.
It looks like
And it's chemical free, so even the kids' hands will be all together safe. Yay! I'm happy I made this for Mishika. Give me high 10. Bye for now.
Bye.
Try this at home. Like, share and
subscribe.